If you want to edit a Mailchimp template quickly and confidently, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps from start to finish. Whether you need to update text, change branding, fix layout details, or make a small design adjustment, knowing how to edit a saved Mailchimp template can save you a lot of time. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp. Once you're signed in, you'll land in your Mailchimp dashboard. From there, look for the campaign section in the left-hand menu and click it. Campaigns is where Mailchimp keeps a lot of your email-related tools, including the templates you've already created and saved. Next, click on Email Templates. This will take you to the template area where all of your saved designs are stored. If you've made templates before, you should see them listed here, ready to be edited or reused. Now find the template you want to change. Once you see it, click the drop-down next to that template. Mailchimp usually gives you a few options here, but the one you want is Edit Template. Click that, and Mailchimp will open the template editor for that specific design. At this point, you're inside the editing area, and this is where you can make your changes directly. Depending on how your template was built, you may be editing content blocks, layout sections, or even code. If you're using a custom template, make sure you review the structure carefully before making changes so you don't accidentally break formatting. Go through the template and update whatever needs to be changed. You might edit headings, replace placeholder text, adjust images, update links, or refine the styling so it matches your current campaign. If you're working inside the code, make your edits carefully and check each section as you go. It's always a good idea to keep your changes small and intentional so you can easily spot anything that needs fixing. Once your edits are complete, take a moment to review everything. Check the spacing, confirm the content looks right, and make sure any important links or formatting are still in place. A quick review now can save you from sending out a campaign with a mistake later. When you're happy with the template, click Save and Exit. This saves your updated Mailchimp template and returns you to the templates area. Your edited version is now ready to use in future campaigns, and that's it. You've successfully edited a Mailchimp template. It's a simple process once you know where to go, and now you can update your templates anytime without starting from scratch. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.